Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. This is dinner, which is some sausages, some sweet Italian sausage to be precise, some Brussels sprouts, potatoes, onions, kale. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. And mushrooms. If you don't know how good the nutrition of mushrooms are for you, go research that, because I used the giant portobello mushroom in here, sliced it all up, yum yum yum, used a vegetable stock broth and some unsalted sweet cream butter. And how is it, Rob?
It's good.
So anyway, make yourself something healthy, protein based, and also the balsamic glaze. That's why you see the little stripies like that. That is a big game changer. Now, if I had some Danos, you're darn right, I'd be using some Danos in the. So anyway, remember, healthy is good as long as it's done right.